Okay guys, here we go with our Rutherford Lab. You just watched a little YouTube clip on his experiment and what he did. He used lasers and atoms are really small and can't really see them. We're going to substitute a wooden shape that is underneath this. There's a couple of screws there, so there's an unknown wooden shape that's taped to the table. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of blank paper. This isn't your lab, and you'll put it down and just put a couple tiny little pieces of tape there, and then you're going to have one partner is going to trace the path that the marble will take. Remember how we talked this morning about what it means to ricochet, and let's see what we come up with. So my assistant's going to go ahead and start to roll the marble under, and the partner who is using the pen or pencil is going to trace the path of the marble. Now he's going to go ahead and do several here. You want to roll them in fast enough that they are going to make it through, but not so fast that you can't even see the path. And of course, it's going to be kind of difficult to tell exactly where it goes and all that good stuff, but you're doing your best to simulate the path of the particle that's going through our wood. Some of them are going to pass straight through. Some of them will not. You're going to need to do this many, many, many times. So I'm going to go to one that we've already been working on. All right, so you can see what I mean by many, many, many times. All right, you can kind of try to recreate a path to get a better idea of where you think it hits. And you're going to keep working on this until you have what you think is you think you can come up with the sketch of the shape, all right, of the general shape of the block that's under the board. All right, so use most of the box to sketch your shape, what you think it's going to be, and then there's a couple of questions for you here to work through, and then that will be it. So go to it. Again, you're probably going to even need more lines than this. You can put the little arrows on if you want to try to show where it went in and where it went out, but that's optional. That's up to you. All right. So each person has to do their own lab, and that's what we got. Go to it.